Watch this deputy's left hand. The meth he's about to find in her truck is already in it. By the end, a deputy in prison, dozens of cases dropped, and a $1 million settlement.
How are you?
Tired.
Yeah, me too.
Jackson County, Florida, the deputy is Zachary Wester. The driver, a grandmother we'll call Teresa. This is his own body camera released as public record. What follows is legal analysis, not legal advice, because this stop looks routine right up until you know what state investigators said this camera kept catching.
It's your daughter. You're supposed to be special. Deputy Haycare, make sure you don't get run over, okay? I have faith that he will.
I want to get off the road. If I do, it's all on y'all.
First rule of a traffic stop, it has a legal mission. She says he blamed her brake lights. Generally, under Rodriguez v. United States, police can't stretch a stop beyond that mission without fresh suspicion. Keep that clock running as you watch.
Where you come from today?
I went to see somebody who gave me a bad check, actually.
Really?
Look, you don't even want to go back a few days, do you? Easy, don't hit nobody, man. God.
What?
She's that close to him and not getting over. What the hell is her problem?
She was fine.
That's fucking crazy.
Yeah, she was fine.
That's totally ridiculous. I mean, ain't there a move over? One lady.
What you're hearing is rapport. Nothing wrong with friendly, but understand its function in a stop. People who feel at ease consent, chat, and explain. None of that is required of you. Politeness and silence can coexist.
You said common sense people lack. $5 in your wallet.
Where the hell did you find it? Where in my oh no, that's the bad check. That's why that's what brings me to Cottondale. It should be more than $5 with that. Okay. But if you find a single $5 laying there somewhere, I'm sure that the nurses at that hospital got it when I stepped out last night.
So far, small talk and a $5 bad check. What happens in the next 2 minutes helps end a career. Watch the deputy's left hand.
$5 to some people may not be much, but to me, damn it, it's a lot. Ooh, I don't care. It's on y'all if they hit me now, I know.
You've got good accident insurance.
I didn't even want to claim it. Look, that's all I got.
Let me ask you this, why'd you stop?
By her own account, when he asked to search the truck, she said yes. Remember, you can refuse consent. Generally, that refusal is neither a crime nor probable cause. Now watch the search. Investigators later said the camera catches something in his hand.
Oh, you're fine. I was just wondering.
2554, 275.
Set up some.
Perfect.
It is yogurt, sir.
I know. Okay.
It's yogurt. That's not mine. No, sir.
I'm not going to ask you.
No, sir.
I'm not going to ask you any questions. I'm going to read you your rights first, okay? So just hang out the 50 AK.
What is it?
I have an idea when you test it, though, okay?
He reads her rights. Now listen to her use them. She stops explaining. Generally, you invoke by saying it plainly, I'm not answering questions, then you actually stay quiet. She does both.
Jesus Christ.
Don't say nothing.
I'm not saying anything to you. Sir, I'm not saying anything to you.
She's making a phone call. What? She's calling her daughter.
Is that right?
Thank you. Do you have anything on you, Miss Hogan?
I said I didn't have anything on me in the truck, officer.
Oh, okay, but do you have anything on your person?
I have nothing on me to my knowledge at all.
All right.
And I'm not trying to be ugly.
It did return presumptive positive for methamphetamine, okay? I'm just letting you know, okay?
Presumptive is doing heavy lifting there. Roadside kits are cheap chemistry, and false positives are well documented. Confirmation requires a lab. Now her phone call.
Hey, monkey, look, I just got pulled over in Cottondale, all right? I had went down to see George because I had a bad check that was given to me by somebody who was living at 8 Dots. I come through the light, I get pulled over. All right, the deputy asked if he could search my truck. I told him, yes, he may search my truck. I'm sitting on the bunker right now. He goes in the passenger side. He sees, I don't know, God knows what. He goes around to the other side, the door going on open, and he comes back with a spoon, which is what I use to eat my yogurt with. And in the spoon, there is laying a little bitty, like, I guess, a little tiny bag. He says it tests positive for methamphetamine. So I guess I'm going to go to jail, and it damn sure ain't mine, and nobody's been in my truck but me.
Notice what she's doing under pressure, naming where she was, who she saw, what he found, and denying it plainly on a recorded line without anger at the officer. Generally, you don't win the roadside argument. You make a record. This call became part of one.
I'm trying to take care of my business. This is crazy. I ain't even looked at no dope. Believe that. I'm sorry, and I was sure looking forward to keeping Anna in the morning. I don't know nothing else to do. Message Bernadette and tell her to deal with Uncle Spence. Okay, the email, baby. Okay, message Bernadette and tell her what I'm telling you. Okay, and why they're doing this, I have no idea. I'm looking at somebody, his last name is Huyke, and the officer that pulled me over, that said he pulled me over because my brakes work sometime and sometime they don't work, is Wester, he said his name. Yes, baby.
She wasn't the only one. In 2018, Deputy Zachary Wester's own body camera archive triggered an internal review, and state investigators began pulling his stops. Their allegation, later presented at trial, unexplained baggies appearing in his hand before searches, the same hand you watched. The charges from this stop against Teresa were dropped.
I guess I'm going to jail. If you want to come up, if you would like to come and get my wallet.
Here's the record stated precisely. Wester was fired. In 2019, the state arrested him. In 2021, a jury convicted him on 19 counts, including racketeering, official misconduct, fabricating evidence, and false imprisonment, and acquitted him on the remaining counts. He was sentenced to just over 12 years. Prosecutors dropped charges in nearly 120 cases his work had touched.
Can she get my purse and stuff when I get...
Yeah, I've got your purse here. Whenever you get it to the jail.
And the civil side, this case settled for $1 million. Be precise about what that means. A settlement is not a finding of guilt. It is a negotiated payment that ends the lawsuit. Now, take the lessons with you. You can refuse a consent search, you can invoke silence and mean it. Field drug tests are presumptive, not proof. And a body camera can protect you if someone watches it. This was analysis, not legal advice.
Drugs that they found in my truck, and I probably should have just waited on a dog to search, but I didn't. I tried to cooperate, you know. And he's still looking in my cigarettes. I mean, he ain't looked in my cookies. He ain't looked in my Bible. There's 2 tickets up there, baby. 2 that's got to be taken care of in 30 days. He wants me to hang up, and I'm under arrest, okay? I love you.